Nothing kills productivity like having to rebuild context in each AI conversation from scratch. If retyping the same background info over and over again is eating up your day, this solves it. This is AI Context Loop, a browser extension that lets you build your context once and use it everywhere. Voted #1 product of the day and #1 productivity tool of the week on Product Hunt with over 2,000 satisfied users. This might be the best productivity hack you've discovered in a while. With this Chrome extension, you can move your knowledge, notes, project details, and AI chat history between all major AI platforms, including ChatGPT, Claude, Grok, Gemini, and Perplexity. You can save anything you read on the internet to your personal knowledge base and analyze, summarize, or cross-check any web page against your saved information through our AI sidebar. So let's dive into the details. First, head to the Chrome Web Store and install AI Context Loop. You'll see a quick onboarding tutorial explaining the key features. So it tells you a welcome page, then tells you about the memory buckets. You can save anything from anywhere, and then it works on all major AI platforms. Now you have two options: jump straight into the Memory Studio to start building your context buckets, or you can go directly into any of the supported AI platforms. Let's go directly to ChatGPT. Now here, what you can do is that once installed, you'll notice two small interface elements embedded in your ChatGPT UI. Helpful tooltips will guide you through your first use. For the first time, you need to do a quick one-time login. Once you do that, now you can start optimizing your prompts and saving important AI conversations into organized memory buckets. So now for example, let's save one of our earlier ChatGPT conversations into a new bucket. So we have a previous conversation about marketing, SEO, AEO. What we can do is that we can now save it into a new memory bucket. Now it's going to analyze and summarize this entire conversation, extract key facts out of it, and then store it into a new bucket. Now here's where it gets useful. What we can do is that we can now see that we have this same bucket not only in our ChatGPT UI but also in our extension. We can filter and sort through the different buckets that we have and see that we have this marketing bucket visible in the extension as well. Now what we can do is that we can open a new AI, completely different AI like Gemini, for example, and then we can select the same memory from the drop down. So now we select the marketing bucket, and now we write something very simple like explain SEO, nothing else, and then we press optimize. We use the shortcut here, Ctrl+i, and then what it will do is that it will bring in the context from the previous saved conversation that we had on ChatGPT, and it's going to optimize the prompt and it's going to add all the required context about this topic in the prompt. So you have to do no more copy pasting or re-explaining your project background. AI Context Flow supports information gathering from multiple sources across the web. You can highlight text from any web page and save it directly to your context library. Now, this knowledge will be available to use with any AI agent anywhere. We have already seen how to add AI chats and web highlights to your memory buckets. But what if you want to upload files, curate your stored information, review what's already saved, or remove outdated content? That's where our Memory Studio comes in. Open the extension and navigate to Memory Studio. This is a full-featured knowledge management system designed to organize your information and act as your companion. Inside Memory Studio, you'll see all your existing buckets. You can create new ones, pin your most important buckets for quick access, and dive deep into each memory bucket to manage your context library. From here, you can review stored content, delete anything to ensure accuracy of your knowledge base, and upload any additional files in any supported context to expand your context. You're in complete control of your memory. Now, when you upload your files, you will see that the AI is now uploading it and learning from your file. You can also chat with your memories directly within the studio without relying on external AI platforms. These conversations are completely local. They're not used for training and are never sent to our servers. Your privacy is protected. You can further talk to your memories about anything. For example, you can ask it to summarize your saved knowledge and it will tell you everything that is in this specific memory bucket. When chatting with your saved memories, you can switch between 30 plus AI models directly within the extension or on the dashboard. These models include the latest models like Anthropic Opus 4.5 and many others. This lets you use your knowledge base with your favorite AI models without juggling between multiple tabs or platforms. You can select your specific memory and then you can select your favorite AI model and you can start your conversation. You can also switch between models mid-conversation based on the query or the prompt that you're about to ask it. Anything is possible with Pluto. Now let's talk about our most popular feature, the Pluto sidebar. You can right click and activate it on any website. You can open chat and then you can use the toggle use current website. This is always off by default so that it only gets enabled on the pages you explicitly allow. Then you can select your specific memory bucket and then what you can do is that you can ask Pluto to summarize, synthesize, extract facts, or correlate it with your memory for deeper contextual insights. It will take the entire page, use it, extract information out of it, and correlate it with whatever stuff you have saved in your memory buckets. This gives you a permanent sidekick and second brain that travels with you across the entire internet. So let's see, you wrote a prompt and then it's going to extract everything, compress everything, and give you the response. Okay, so now it's giving you the proper response, correlating everything. And as always, if you have an insightful conversation on any web page and you want to preserve it, you can simply press save to add it to your permanent memory. AI Context Flow is your organized knowledge brain, optimized for AI workflows, and it moves with you across the internet. We've saved the conversation and now we can see it on the AI dashboard as well.